In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging image animation in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post or adding flair to a presentation, learning how to animate images can be a powerful tool to capture attention. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open Canva and prepare the file you'll be working on. For those new to Canva, it's an intuitive design platform that offers a plethora of templates and design elements. Once you log in or create your account, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, you can either create a new design by choosing from the various templates or open an existing project you'd like to enhance. Now, adjust and reposition your image on the page. You can do this by either dragging the image to your desired location or using the position tools available in the toolbar. Think about how you want the viewer's focus to move across the screen. This planning is crucial as it sets the foundation for your animation. Next, consider changing the background color to complement your image and make it stand out. This can highlight the animated aspect and ensure your design looks cohesive. Click on the background, and a color palette will appear, allowing you to explore different colors. Once you have the design ready, click on your page, locate the three dots in the page menu and choose Duplicate Page. This feature is remarkably handy when you want to maintain consistency across your animation. After duplicating, move your image in an upward direction on this new slide. This movement will later create a fluid animation effect. You'll then want to duplicate the page again. This time, using the same method, shift your image further upward. This incremental movement is what gives the animation life. Keep duplicating, repositioning your image upward each time. As you do so, make your image gradually bigger to create a zoom-in effect. This draws the viewer's eye inward and adds dynamic flair. After that, duplicate the image again, but this time, reduce its size. This helps create variation and guides viewers to the conclusion of your animation seamlessly. Now, go back to the first frame of your animation. Copy the image you started with and paste it onto the last frame. This provides continuity and frames your animation nicely. Next, you'll want to delete the image at the center of the last frame. This clears the way for a smooth transition from the previous slide to the next. Once that's done, click between two of the slides and select Transition. From the transition options, choose Match and Move. This setting is perfect for animations like ours, where a sequence of images needs to smoothly connect across frames. Finally, adjust the timing to 0.8 seconds and make sure to apply this timing to all pages. By doing so, you ensure that the animation flows at an optimal pace, neither too fast to miss details nor too slow to become tedious. There you have it, your very own animated image sequence in Canva, ready to impress and engage your audience.